Hello everybody, this is Bishop James Conley of the Catholic Diocese of Lincoln. I want to take a moment to share with you about one of the great treasures of our diocese, the Emmaus Institute for Biblical Studies. I asked Vern Steiner to launch this institute, and so together with his son Chad, they began in 2019. Together they have a wealth of experience and knowledge of the sacred scriptures. I would like you and our entire diocese to take advantage of their expertise. I would encourage our priests and parishes across the diocese to utilize and support the Emmaus Institute. Consider sending CCD teachers, school teachers, OCIA teachers, Bible study leaders, and anyone else desiring a better understanding of the scriptures to Emmaus for biblical formation and to obtain their one-year New Creation Certificate in Biblical Studies. Sponsoring these individuals, perhaps with at least partial scholarships for the ultimate blessing and benefit of the parish as they come back and serve in parishes and in schools. Perhaps scheduling an Emmaus for the Emmaus group for a retreat or mission or a leadership summit for the parish or school or both. The Church has called us to establish institutes like the Emmaus Institute. Let's answer that call by utilizing the amazing resources that we have right before us with the Emmaus Institute. Most of all, I ask you to pray for Emmaus. Your prayers are vital to their mission. And please consider perhaps a donation supporting Emmaus, either monthly or a one-time donation to provide for the stability of the Institute and to answer the call to continue the mission of the Emmaus Institute. The Emmaus Institute for Biblical Studies is a gift to our diocese. Vern and Chad Steiner have built Emmaus into an outstanding resource for the goal of helping you learn more about the Word of God. You won't find many dioceses in the country that offer an opportunity like this. Pray for Emmaus, support Emmaus, and get involved with their classes. Learn more at emmausinstitute.net. Thank you, and may God bless you.